Hello again everybody! Today my friend's gonna teach you how to make a fire in the nature.
Okay, firstly you take something that burns fast, like paper. Secondly you take little pieces of wood, that's big enough. When the fire burns good, you set bigger pieces of wood, not too big. Now I'm gonna show you.
So now the fire is burning good. So now you can take the bigger pieces of wood, place them on the fire. And make sure that the wood is dry, because otherwise it will not burn. It burns good now.
Okay, sometimes you can blow a little bit.
Zet nog wat meer. Hè. Oh, that's hot. Thank you for listening and see you next time.